Progress can be defined as the process of improving or advancing towards a desired or more developed state. It involves making positive changes, achieving goals, and moving forward in various aspects of life, society, or technology. Progress can be measured by the level of improvement or development achieved in areas such as science, technology, education, economy, social justice, healthcare, environmental sustainability, and overall human well-being. It is often associated with growth, innovation, and positive transformation. The concept of progress is subjective and can vary depending on individual perspectives, cultural values, and the specific context in which it is being assessed. Now let's use progress in a sentence. The students made significant progress in their understanding of the subject after studying diligently. In this example, progress is used to describe the movement or advancement made by students in their understanding of a particular subject. It indicates that they have moved forward and achieved a higher level of knowledge or comprehension through their dedicated efforts. Thanks for listening in. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.